to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make rice water to help achieve rapid hair growth. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you're not already. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post. I'll be doing this challenge for 2 weeks and I'll be challenging other ladies to join in with me. So go ahead and share this video to the other ladies so that they can help join in this journey. We'll be doing a video at 7 days and then another video at 14 days. So you guys stay tuned for all of this growth. First thing you guys will need is a bag of rice, any type of white rice, a jar with a lid on it, a few little bowls, something to stir it with, which I just have some plastic utensils, a funnel to make it easy, and then a Ziploc bag. The first thing I'll be doing is cutting open my bag of rice. The measurement of the rice really does not matter, but this is about as much. I'm gonna fill this up with a little bit of water, pour it directly onto the rice water. And the reason we're doing this is to help rinse the water. To help rinse the rice. You know, the rice already has a bunch of debris and dirt in it, so we're just trying to rinse the rice at this point. It gets really cloudy, but that's good. Just move it around. We're just trying to rinse it at this point. I don't know where my sifter is, so I'm gonna use a regular bowl and 2 paper towels that I just, wrapped on top of each other. I'm gonna place those on top of the bowl. We've cleaned our rice. It's nice and clean. It should be kind of sticky. Now we're going to just dump this rice into our mason jar with the lid. I just chose this one because I had this jar. I have a pack of them that I haven't even used. Any jar that you have with a lid that would close tightly would be great, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna ferment this rice with water. And a lot of people are saying that this rice water smells. So we're gonna be adding in some orange to help reduce that smell as well. Okay, now that we've got this rice into this bottle, you just wanna add some water, fill it all the way up to the top. We're gonna ferment this for 24 hours. Those nutrients that's inside of that rice will have soaked into the water that we'll use to go on our hair. Or not. Orange has already been rinsed off. Here's your lid, and we're gonna let this sit on the counter at room temperature for 24 hours, and I will be right back. All right guys, so we have now allowed our rice water to sit. I did say 24 hours, but I actually allowed mine to sit for 48 hours. I'm actually excited to see how well the nutrients soaked into the water. And as you can see, some of the rice has puffed up and the water is cloudy. And again, we added orange peels to help with the smell. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm curious to see what that smells like. You guys can allow this to sit for 24 hours, or you can use it right away. Do not use it after 72 hours. If it's already been 72 hours, just throw it away. This, you'll just need your rice water, a funnel, spray bottle, another container to help drain it in, and this is optional. I will be using this, and then a few paper towels. What I actually decided to do is get 2 paper towels. I'm gonna stick it over the mouth of my other container. I'm gonna stuff it in just a little bit, drain it into here first, get all the liquid. It had a little pop to it. Okay, I just smell orange. Now that we have drained our rice water into our container, we're now going to transfer it into our spray bottle. So this here is when you'll use a funnel. You just want to put the funnel in as so, and just pour it directly in. Obviously the funnel is optional. However you can get it into your spray bottle is perfect. Actually filled it up just right. Since I plan to reuse this bottle for later usage, I'll actually be using this little trick by getting some regular Scotch tape, a Sharpie, and writing on here what it is. So I'll put on here rice water and the date, and then it'll be easy for me to just take it off whenever I need to clean it next time. Okay, so I recommend you only use this after 7 days. Keep it refrigerated while you're not using. Now you have the necessary ingredients to make the rice water. Now for this growth challenge. You'll just apply this onto your hair by simply spraying it onto your hair strands. You really want to focus it onto your roots and then massage it all the way down your hair shaft. You can deep condition with this for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you fully want to rinse it out all the time. Use this right after your regular wash routine, whether you shampoo and condition, then you'll use this rice water, or if you co-wash, then you'll use this rice water, but you always want to rinse it out. I'll be doing this for 1 week, and I'll have a video uploaded very soon showing you how I apply this to my hair and also measuring my hair. I'll also upload a video at 7 days using this and measuring my hair, and then another one at 14 days with the measurements. So if you guys are interested in this challenge, go ahead and put hashtag growth in the comments. Stay tuned to watch all of these growth videos, and don't forget to share to other ladies so that they can join on this natural hair growth journey with you with this rice water. Please like this video down below and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.